Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you ready to improve your video quality? I'm going to take you through the process of upgrading regular phone footage into cinematic log footage. So, get ready for a great time where I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. And guess what? You can do it all for free using Premiere Pro. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss anything interesting. Let's make your videos the best they can be. When you added the video to the timeline, go to Window menu and scroll down until you find Lumetri Color. Click on it to open the Lumetri Color panel. In the Lumetri Color panel, locate the Input LUT option. Click on it and choose Browse to open the LUT selection window. Then choose one of this LUTs, then open it. And don't worry, you can download them the description of this video. And there you go. You can see the difference between before and after. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.